The Great Depression was one of the most difficult periods in American history. Beginning with the stock market crash of 1929, millions of families suddenly found themselves struggling to survive. Jobs disappeared, banks failed, savings vanished, and food budgets became smaller than ever before. For many Americans, every penny mattered. Families learned how to stretch ingredients, reduce waste, and create filling meals from whatever they could afford. Mothers became masters of resourcefulness, turning simple pantry staples into meals capable of feeding large households. While many of these dishes have largely disappeared from modern kitchens, they tell an important story about resilience, creativity, and survival. These are the forgotten meals that helped American families endure. The creamed chipped beef on toast, often nicknamed SOS by soldiers and working-class families alike. Creamed chipped beef on toast became a Depression-era staple. The dish consisted of dried beef cooked in a creamy white sauce and poured over toasted bread. Its popularity came from affordability. A small amount of dried beef could flavor an entire pan of sauce, allowing families to feed several people at once. Although simple, it was warm, filling, and comforting. For many Americans, this meal represented practicality at its finest. 2. Potato soup. Potatoes were among the most important foods during the Depression. They were inexpensive, widely available, and highly versatile. A basic potato soup often required only potatoes, onions, water or milk, and a few seasonings. Some families added bacon drippings for flavor if they could afford it. A large pot could feed an entire family for very little money. The soup's simplicity made it one of the most common meals during hard times. 3. Cornbread and milk. When money was especially tight, many households relied on cornbread. Cornmeal cost less than wheat flour and could be used to create filling meals. One common practice involved crumbling cornbread into a bowl and pouring milk over it. For children growing up during the Depression, this simple combination often served as breakfast, lunch, or supper. Though humble, it provided energy and nutrition when resources were limited. 4. Beans. Beans became known as one of the most economical foods available. They were rich in protein, inexpensive, and easy to store. Families frequently prepared large pots of bean soup using dried beans, onions, and whatever vegetables happened to be available. Sometimes a ham bone was added for extra flavor. A single pot could provide meals for several days. This made bean soup one of the most valuable dishes in the Depression kitchen. 5. Fried potatoes and onions. Many families maintained small gardens even during difficult years. Potatoes and onions were common crops because they were easy to grow and store. Fried potatoes and onions required very few ingredients but created a satisfying meal. Cooked in a cast-iron skillet, the dish became a favorite among working-class households. Its aroma alone often filled kitchens with a sense of comfort and familiarity. 6. Hoover Stew. Named after President Herbert Hoover, whom many blamed for the economic crisis, Hoover Stew became a symbol of Depression cooking. The recipe varied from household to household. Typical ingredients included macaroni, hot dogs, tomatoes, canned vegetables. Everything was mixed together into one large pot. The result was inexpensive, filling, and capable of feeding many people. Despite its modest appearance, Hoover Stew helped countless families survive. 7. Bread and gravy. When meat was unavailable, families often relied on gravy to add flavor and substance to meals. A simple gravy made from flour, water, milk, or bacon grease could be poured over slices of bread. This inexpensive meal was surprisingly filling. Although few people would consider it a luxury, it demonstrated the remarkable creativity of Depression-era cooks. Nothing was wasted. Every ingredient served a purpose. 8. Rice pudding. Desserts were rare during the Depression, but rice pudding offered an affordable treat. Made from rice, milk, sugar, and occasionally raisins, it allowed families to enjoy something sweet without spending much money. Children especially looked forward to rice pudding. For many families, it represented a small moment of comfort during difficult times. Its popularity continued long after the Depression ended. 9. Dandelion salad. During periods of extreme hardship, Families often gathered edible plants from fields and roadsides. Dandelion greens became a valuable source of nutrition. The leaves were washed, chopped, and served as a salad or cooked, like spinach. Although modern Americans often view dandelions as weeds, Depression-era families recognized them as food. This practice reflected the determination and resourcefulness required to survive. 10. Macaroni and tomato cesta was inexpensive and easy to store. Combined with canned tomatoes, it created a filling meal that required very little preparation. Macaroni and tomatoes became a common supper throughout the country. Some families added onions or leftover vegetables when available. The dish demonstrated an important principle of Depression cooking. Simple ingredients could still create satisfying meals. Conclusion: the first 10 meals on our list reveal just how resourceful Depression-era families had to become. Whether it was potato soup, bean soup, cornbread and milk, or Hoover Stew, every meal reflected a determination to survive despite enormous challenges. These dishes may seem simple today, but for millions of Americans, they represented security, comfort, and hope. The Great Depression continued throughout the 1930s. Families across America became experts at stretching every ingredient. Waste was unacceptable because replacing food wasn't always possible. Leftovers were transformed into new meals. Vegetables were grown in backyard gardens, and even the smallest scraps found their way into family dinners. Many of the meals from this period have disappeared from modern tables, yet they tell an incredible story of resilience and determination. These are 10 more forgotten Depression-era meals that helped millions of Americans survive. 11. Cabbage and noodles. Cabbage was one of the most valuable vegetables during the Depression. It was inexpensive, nutritious, and could be stored for long periods without spoiling. Families often combined chopped cabbage with egg noodles and onions to create a filling meal. A small amount of butter or bacon grease was sometimes added for flavor. The dish was especially popular among immigrant communities, where cabbage had long been an important ingredient. Simple, affordable, and satisfying, cabbage and noodles became a regular part of many family menus. 12. Navy bean soup. Navy beans were widely available and extremely affordable. A large bag could provide multiple meals for an entire family. To make navy bean soup, cook simmered beans for hours with onions and whatever seasonings were available. If a ham bone could be obtained, it added extra flavor. The slow cooking process created a hearty meal capable of feeding many mouths. For struggling families, few foods offered better value. 13. Potato pancakes. Nothing went to waste during the Depression. Leftover mashed potatoes were often transformed into potato pancakes. The potatoes were mixed with flour and seasonings before being fried until golden brown. These pancakes could be served for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Children especially enjoyed their crispy texture. Potato pancakes proved that leftovers could become entirely new meals. 14. Tomato gravy over biscuit. Potatoes were commonly canned during the summer and used throughout the year. One creative meal involved turning canned tomatoes into a thick gravy. The gravy was poured over homemade biscuits, creating a warm and filling dish. Although meat was absent, the meal still provided comfort and flavor. For many Southern families, tomato gravy became a Depression staple. 15. Salmon patties. And salmon offered an affordable source of protein. Families mixed salmon with breadcrumbs, onions, and eggs before shaping the mixture into patties. The patties were then fried in a skillet. A single can could produce enough servings for several people. Salmon patties became especially popular because canned fish lasted a long time on pantry shelves. 16. Milk toast. Milk toast was one of the simplest meals imaginable. Slices of toasted bread were placed in a bowl and covered with warm milk. Sometimes sugar, cinnamon, or butter was added if available. The meal was commonly served to children and elderly family members. Although extremely basic, milk toast provided nourishment during difficult times. For many Americans who lived through the Depression, it remains a powerful childhood memory. 17. Hookahs were simple cornmeal cakes cooked on a griddle or skillet, made primarily from cornmeal and water. They required very few ingredients. The cakes could be eaten alone or served alongside beans and vegetables. Because cornmeal was inexpensive, hoe cakes became popular throughout rural America. They represented the kind of practical cooking that defined the Depression era. 18. Stuffed bell peppers. Families often used leftover rice, breadcrumbs, and vegetables to create stuffed peppers. The peppers acted as edible containers for whatever ingredients were available. This meal allowed cooks to stretch small amounts of food into larger portions. Every household had its own version. The recipe demonstrated how creativity helped families maximize limited resources. 19. Lima beans and ham. Lima beans were affordable and rich in nutrients. When combined with small pieces of ham, they created a meal that felt substantial despite its low cost. The ham provided flavor while the beans supplied most of the protein and calories. Many families cooked large batches that could be eaten over several days. Meals like this helped households survive extended periods of unemployment. 20. Apple dumplings. Even during hard times, families occasionally wanted dessert. Apple dumplings offered an affordable treat. An apple was wrapped in dough and baked until tender. Because apples were often plentiful and inexpensive, the dessert remained accessible to many households. For children growing up during the Depression, apple dumplings brought moments of happiness amid uncertainty. The smell of baking apples filled homes with warmth and comfort. Conclusion. The second group of Depression-era meals highlights the remarkable ingenuity of American families. Whether they were transforming leftovers into potato pancakes, creating hearty bean soups, or baking simple apple dumplings, families found ways to make limited resources last. These dishes remind us that survival often depended not on abundance, but on creativity, patience, and determination. By the late 1930s, American families had become experts at making the most of every ingredient. Years of hardship had taught them how to create filling meals from simple pantry staples. 21. Creamed peas on toast. A basic white sauce mixed with peas and served over toast. Cheap, filling, and easy to prepare. 22. Fried cabbage. Cabbage cooked with onions and sometimes bacon grease. A common meal when budgets were tight. 23. Potato and egg hash. Leftover potatoes fried in a skillet with eggs. A quick and satisfying meal for working families. 24. Rice and beans. Of the most affordable and nutritious meals of the era. Large pots could feed an entire family. 25. Onion sandwiches. Simple sandwiches made with bread, onions, and a little butter or mayonnaise when available. 26. Bread pudding. Stale bread transformed into a warm dessert using milk, sugar, and spices. 27. Scrapply. Regional favorite made from pork scraps and cornmeal, then fried until crispy. 28. Vegetable stew. Hummus. Vegetables simmered together in a large pot, providing nutrition at very little cost. 29. Molasses cookies. An inexpensive treat sweetened with molasses instead of costly sugar. 30. Mock apple pie. Clever dessert made without apples. Crackers, cinnamon, sugar, and lemon created a surprisingly similar flavor. Conclusion. The Great Depression forced families to become creative, resourceful, and resilient. These forgotten meals may have been simple, but they helped millions survive one of the toughest periods in American history. Today, they stand as reminders of a generation that learned to waste nothing, appreciate every meal, and make the most of what they had.